Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham. Today I'm here to walk you around this very special acid green Caterham 620R. Now this example has got 2 owners from new, registered in September 2020 and is covered just over 600 miles. Let's have a look together. So this car has been very well looked after by DPR. Being a track car, it's been checked over every time it's gone down the track with them. To talk about the specification on this one though, so obviously being a 620, you do get the 620 nose. This one does have the triple carbon stripe that runs throughout the whole body, and the optional spec on this one is the carbon front cycle wings, which are also nicely paired up with the painted headlight bulbs and the body colour. You do get the race suspension, the aero wishbones, and the indicator pods are finished in carbon, and this also does feature the clear lens pack, which makes it look very, very smart. So moving on down to the side of the Caterham, we do have the 13-inch Black Apollo wheels and featuring the track day exit exhaust system. This is the SLR roll cage, which was fitted by DPR as part of their upgrades. This was also finished in the acid green, which is what the car is in. You also do get the roll cage mounted mirrors. Now these are finished in the carbon to match the wings at the front and the rear, and also the boot vinyl. Speaking of carbon, we do get the carbon half doors, which are finished in vinyl, and the other bits of upgrade that's been done to this car is the upgraded rear brakes, and the handbrake is also being upgraded, and you can change the brake bias on these as well. So moving on down to the rear of the Caterham, we do have the FIA approved rain light. You do get the carbon boot vinyl cover, which matches up quite nicely to the half doors and the stripes that are featured in the car, and you also do get the black filler cap. Now this does have a bit of PPF down here. You also do get it on the rear arches, the side of the car, and a bit on the front as well. So now moving on to the interior of the 620, we'll start off with the dash. Now this is the carbon dash effect. Cool little features on this one is it's had the upgraded oil and water temp gauges to now being a digital one, so it's easier to read while you're on the track. You do also get the plumbed in fire extinguisher up here and up here as well. You also do get a Geartronics gear display, which is quite nice and visible. And a cool little thing on this one, you also do get a flat bottomed suede finished Momo quick release steering wheel. So moving on to the seats, we have the carbon seats with the racing harness. You also do get a bit of carbon on the seal here and on the interior of the panels. And it follows it through to the interior of the handbrake gaiters and the gearbox gaiters as well. So to wrap up this video on this lovely acid green car, it'd be worth to note as well that DPR have upgraded a few bits on the clutch and on the heat exchanger in the engine. If you want to know anything more about the history on the car or want to come down and see it, please do so by following the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.